What is going on, guys? It is PokeHD here. This is my first YouTube video, and for the celebratory first YouTube video, I have 2 Primal Clash 3-pack blisters to open. So, guess let's get right into these. Put this one over here, and open this one. Whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop-de-doo. And I just dropped that, guys. Wow. 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 I suck so bad. Anyways, we still got the first ring coin in there. We don't care about that. Let's get into the packs. I'm putting that on the floor. That's stupid. So we got a Nidorina, Weakness Policy, Electric, Drillbur, Honedge, Barboach, Weedle, Tenemo, Reverse Kyogre, kind of needed this one, and a Metacham Ancient Trait card. I needed regular Kyogre, so got a Nidoqueen. Oh, I thought that was a rare. Acrobike, Mr. Mutt. I needed this one. I know I do. Chinchou, Horsey, Bidoof, Metatite, Lotad, Shrine of Memories, and a Marcargo Ancient Trait card. So let's open our final Groudon pack. If I get 3 Ancient Trait cards, I'm going to be so mad. I would have pulled at least 1 Ultra Rare out of here. Come on, open sesame. Move! Just freaking move. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. Groudon Spirit Link, Silent Lab, Electric, Mudkip, Spenda, Nosepass, Volbeat, Staryu, Reverse Staryu. Nice. Boom. Not the best EX in the set, but still, you know. You gotta do what you gotta do. So we pulled 2 Ancient Trait cards and an EX. Sweet. So that was just the first one, too. Time for our second one. Let me clear this trash and not try to kill everything on the set. Here, you know what? You can't really see it, but too bad. You're going to see the bottom of the card. Now for our second one. Sorry for this black box. I got to get a tripod. Let me open this real quick for you guys. Okay, we're done. Energy Retrieval, EXP Share, Celio, Shroobish, Trico, Zigzagoon, Surskit, Marill, Reverse Diggersby, and a Swampert. It's my 5th one. Okay, Primal Clash. Go, come on. Really? It's not opening? I want to pull an Ultra Rare out of this one. I don't know if a Holo means no Ultra Rare, but... Oh my gosh. Really? Oh my goodness gracious. Jeez. Whiscash, Aggron Spirit Link, Seadra, Shroomish, Zigzagoon, Weedle, Bunnelby, Trico, Tentacle Reverse, and a Ninetales. Here, let's pull out the Ancient Trait cards and put them off to the side for some reason. I don't know. Primal Clash. You know what, guys? I just noticed I pulled an Ancient Trait card out of every pack so far. Out of every single one pack. Celio, Energy Retrieval, Buffalant, Torchic, Slugma, Loomis, Tangela, Nidoran, Torchic Reverse, and the final card. Boo! Whatever, guys. We did get 1 EX, which I can't complain about. But, yeah, thank you for watching. And I'm going to eat some pizza. Peace off.